Looking to stay stylish and protected from the sun this summer? In this video, we're covering the top 5 sunglasses for summer, blending fashion, comfort, and UV protection to keep you cool and confident. Stick around to find your perfect pair, and if you enjoy discovering the best products, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily recommendations. Number 1. RayBan Original Wayfarer Classic. The RayBan Original Wayfarer Classic have been stylish for over 70 years, and we still love them today. They looked good on every testing team member, regardless of gender or style. They have a versatile vibe that goes just as well with a swimsuit and a pair of flip-flops as with formal wedding wear. And while no pair of sunglasses is truly unbreakable, these are some of the most robust shades we tested, with thick, sturdy frames and an astounding 7 barrels on each hinge. This beefiness doesn't come without a cost. The original Wayfarer is a heavy pair of glasses, tipping the scales at 45 grams, more than double many of the other pairs we tested. Their smooth frames lend to their comfort, but their weight is still very noticeable. As the OG Wayfarer style, these glasses slant very far forward, and while the chicness of this is undeniable, it cuts down on their coverage significantly. Still, it's hard to go wrong with this look. Number 2. Canan Clark. The Canan Clark is a high-quality pair of sunglasses with much to offer. We've been testing these for years, and they continue to prove exceptionally versatile for just about every activity. They fit securely and comfortably on both narrow and wide faces, with a low weight that makes them enjoyable to wear and a matte finish that helps keep them in place even on trail runs and bumpy bike rides. The Clark may not be at the cutting edge of any particular fashion or specific function, but our testers of all genders found their timeless shape to work in various situations. Some, but not all, of our testers found minor back reflections around the edges under harsh lighting conditions. There are other pairs we prefer more for specific sports and niche uses, but these are the ones we can never take out of the rotation since they're just so versatile. Number 3. Sunsky Trine Polarized. You will be hard-pressed to find more value in a sports-capable frame than with the Sunsky Trine Polarized. These sunnies come with removable side shields for superior protection in highly reflective environments, and they also help with wind and debris protection at higher-speed sports. And if you need protective shop glasses, they can double for that too. The overall fit is comfortable for various ages and face sizes, and because they weigh only 28 grams, they are good to wear all day long. The thing to keep in mind is that this is in the realm of pricey sunglasses, a value purchase, so it comes with some trade-offs. Most notably, the lower quality lenses are not nearly as nice, crisp, or strong as premium models like the pricier Oakley Sutro or Rudy Project Propulse. Our test team found the Trine's frames comfortable, but they can look small on medium or large faces, and the general quality could be better. Once you see the price, these two concerns quickly fade away. The Trine is an excellent option for anyone looking to maximize their dollars for a pair of polarized sports sunglasses. They are also available in a women's specific frame. Number 4. RayBan Erica. The RayBan Erica perform impressively and have been a favorite among our testers for multiple years. We love their crisp, clear lenses, and the gradient is ideal, with a subtle shift from dark on top to light on the bottom. This offers an excellent balance of protection in bright light, while still allowing you to see in medium and lower lighting. Our test team liked the oversized, rounded Wayfarers frames, even considering vastly different facial shapes, sizes, and individual personal styles. Though we didn't test a polarized pair, the Erica is available with polarized lenses in a wide array of frame and lens colors. Their semi-flexible metal bows are comfortable but a bit loose when worn on the top of the head. We were initially concerned that our test pair's gray lenses appeared purple, but we ended up enjoying their added contrast and didn't find them to change color perception. Number 5. Canon Bernett Mid. The Canon Bernett Mid earned the top spot as our favorite men's shades. Through many years of testing, these glasses have continued to earn top marks. We've tested the brown and gray lenses, which offer superb clarity, enhanced contrast, and excellent color retention. The Bernett is also one of the very few pairs we've tested with practically no back reflections, only in the harshest lighting conditions, and even then, they're the least distracting we've seen. They are available in mid and XL sizes, with a comfortable yet secure fit. We have a few gripes about these stellar glasses. First, our testers were split on the Bernett's shape and style. Some of us love their vibe, while others feel that they're too sporty for formal or casual situations. Second, they're a bit pricey. Still, if you like the look of the Bernett, their top-notch performance is well worth the investment.